Mama Bear Silicone Feeder, 2-pack. BPA-free. Soft silicone bulb with holes designed for easy feeding of baby food and fresh fruit. Dishwasher safe. Removable cap for travel. Easy to assemble and clean. Satisfaction guarantee, we're proud of our products. If you aren't satisfied, we'll refund you for any reason within a year of purchase. An Amazon brand. Learning to self-feed. Your baby can transition to whole foods in a simple and less messy way. This helpful feeder allows just the right amount of food through its tiny holes. The features. Made of silicone, so it's soft yet durable. BPA-free, lightweight for ease of use, and contains tiny holes to let the food through. The foods. Recommended foods for the feeder include soft fruits like strawberries, bananas, blueberries, and peaches. Try frozen foods to help with teething. Our promise. We're proud of every Mama Bear product, and if you aren't completely satisfied, we're happy to give you a full refund. Top reviews from the United States. It's perfect. Honestly, I wish I had got those for my firstborn. They are great for teething. I just add an ice cube on it and the job is done. My daughter loves for self-feeding. I put chunks of fruits in it and I get my mind free of her possible chalking on a piece or seeds, since they mash the food with their jaws, allowing just pureed food going through the holes, and the cap for self-standing is A+, other doesn't have that. Did not have a problem with the handle. It's the perfect size for their little hand. The only times my daughter was chewing on the handle is when she was not interested on the food in it. Overall, great material, easy to clean and on a great price. I recommend. Just be aware that some foods may stain the silicone. It happened to me, but it doesn't affect the product.